Hello everybody, Dave here from Charest Studios, and today I'm going to pick some of these beautiful Thai dragon hot peppers. I believe that's what they're called. I'm looking for the tag. Anyway, yeah, I don't see the tag. I think I lost it, but I believe they're Thai dragon peppers, and I've shown you guys who follow the channel, I've shown you these before. But I bought it as a little plant in a peat pot, and I just cut the hole in the bucket to accept the peat pot and grew it like that with Master Blend as my hydroponic solution, and it's done great. It's very prolific. We'll take a closer look at these peppers. I'm going to be harvesting them today and take all the red peppers off. I still have baby peppers forming. So even though, you know, it's produced all these peppers, it's still going and still producing more. So I have my dehydrator here, the Presto Dehydro, and this is a fairly inexpensive model. It's up maybe from the bottom model because you can control the temperature, which is really good. You really want to be able to control the temperature because you want to dry things at the proper temperature. Like fruits, most fruits and veggies you want to go around, well, there's a little guide on the lid. It says vegetables 125, fruits 135. So with these peppers, I'll probably go around 125, 130. And they'll probably be dry in about 24 hours. But I'm going to pick a bunch of them. I've been doing a lot of scanography or scan art. So I'm going to pick a bunch of these, and before I put them in the dehydrator, I'm going to try to do a little interesting pattern with them on the scanner bed and see if we can make a nice image. So that's what we'll do too. But yeah, I want to show you guys a little closer for those of you who haven't seen. I know some of you have seen this, but I want to show you guys how I just dropped that pot right in there. See, it's just a peat pot, and I didn't even put slits in it or anything because the roots just grow right through. And that's my Master Blend in there, and that's it. And that thing has thrived in those conditions. So here it is, guys. Look at that. It's just really loaded up beautiful with peppers. And there's still a lot of little ones. You know, if you look around, you can still find, you know, even here's a little tiny bud. Okay, guys, so that's what I got. This nice bowl of beautiful Thai dragon red peppers, hot peppers. So let's go make some art with them before we dry them out. And then once they're dried out, I'll just put them in a mason jar. I find just a regular mason jar with a regular metal lid will do just fine once they're dried out. And that'll store them for as long as you need them to. So guys, now I've got these peppers all laid out on my scanner. I removed the scanner lid because I do a lot of scanography. It's just easier sometimes for thicker things. So now I can put the lid back on and that will give me a white background, but I think I like to try sometimes to lay a black sheet of paper over for a black background, and then put my lid. Here's my lid. So I'm going to probably do it both ways. I'll do it with the black background and with the white background, and I'll show you guys probably whichever one I like the best. And I don't know how this pattern is going to look, or, you know, it's probably going to look pretty much like that scan. You know, it'll be a little bit more lit up, and yeah, so we'll see how it looks. So here we are with the peppers in the dehydrator. I have these nice little trays that fit in there. I mean, it's a tray liner actually, this thing. The tray is like that, but the small things like this, you can buy these tray liners for the small things. And this thing, I forget how many trays it came with. It's the Presto Dehydro. If you guys want to look at my Amazon page, there's a link below the description to my Amazon page, and I have a link to this machine and some of the machines that I like, that I'd like to have. I do need an additional machine. This I think I have 10 trays for because I bought extra trays. But I need a bigger one because I got a lot of apples this year, bumper crop of apples, which I'll show you guys one of these days. I don't know why we've had such an incredible apple season this year, but I want to dry out as much of those as I can. So let's take a look at these peppers now. They've been in there, I don't know, over 24 hours. Anyway, I just turned it off and they were all nice and crunchy. You know, you can squeeze them a little bit and you could feel they're crunchy. I don't want to break them open, but I did try it. I did test a couple, and as long as they're not pliable anymore, they're all nice and hard and feel like they'd break if you go to break them, then they're done. And what I do is I turn off the dehydrator and let it sit for a few minutes, just so they've come to room temperature, and I like to pack them when they're at room temperature. And I'll just put them in this mason jar, this little one. And I still have poblanos, and I still have hot peppers from last year, so they stay really well when you jar them up like this. So I got to get these in, and then my job is, if I have time after I do all the other stuff I got to do, is to get busy with some of those apples, guys. I got so many apples this year, and I'm excited because I did buy a new dehydrator to work in addition to this one, because we have so much. And it's an off-brand one, but it seemed like the best value, and I'm excited about it. I'll definitely be doing a review on it and let you guys know what I think. Anyway, I hope you're all doing good and everything is going good in your world. And remember, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.